Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Murdoch DeFi YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about Wall Street Finance. This is very, very early talking about this protocol. As you can see right now, the best auto staking and auto compounding protocol with the highest fixed APY, 825,992.73% APY. Absolutely insane. So this is another auto staking, auto compounding protocol. However, they are doing some NFT stuff that is very, very interesting. Also, they have their Pink Cell fair launch. They are KYC'd. They are audited. All good, all good things coming from Wall Street Finance. So that's what we're going to be talking about, discussing in today's video. We're going to read through all their docs. They have a nicely detailed document section, which I love to see. But before we go ahead and jump into today's video, guys, please make sure that you do subscribe to the YouTube channel here. We are currently almost to 20,000 subscribers. Looks like just a couple more people, and we will hit that 20K mark. Thank you guys so much. If you are new here to the Murdoch DeFi YouTube channel, which apparently about close to 1,000 in the last 24, 48 hours are, welcome. I do want to advise you to click the notification bell when after you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to continue to see content as it pertains. Typically the stuff that I put out is very time sensitive, just like today's video, right? Eventually, there's going to become a time and place when you watch today's video and the project's already launched. However, if you want to stay up to date with content as soon as it goes out, the best way to do so is to hit the notification bell. Also, there's going to be the first link down below in the description of today's video. That is a link to the premium Discord server where you can find all about these projects before I have an opportunity to make a video about them. So this is massively beneficial to you if you understand how all this stuff works. Also, we do whitelist spot giveaways. We have a couple coming this week, which I have yet to announce, but definitely jump in the premium Discord and stay tuned for that stuff coming. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and jump into Wall Street Finance. As you can see, 825,000% APY. This is a fixed APY. You get rewards per block. So every 3 seconds, you get rewarded. We've typically seen every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes. So with this, it rebases every 3 seconds, which is absolutely insane. DeFi 3.0 multi-chain farming and BNB Launchpad earning to support the high yield reward. They have their Wall Street NFT collection, 4 rarities, 3 avatars in the Wall Street social game, daily rewards, BNB, from 2% sale volume for owners. The Wall Street Finance Bank, you can earn BUSD from 4% trading volume and get the right to vote in the Wall Street Finance governance. The cross-chain bridge, they're going to be looking to attract new investors from other networks with lower fees. Also, they do have and I just saw this on their Telegram announcements, that they have planned an AMA, a voice AMA tomorrow with Pink Cell, which is awesome to see, right? Pink Cell is a pretty huge pre-sale listing platform. So they're going to be doing that AMA tomorrow. It says, we are very thrilled to announce that we will hold a voice AMA with Pink Cell, a growing launchpad protocol. Let's take the chance to get to know more about our direction, as well as the development of Wall Street Finance. They're going to be having a $300 reward split between 6 winners during that AMA. And that is going to be tomorrow at 11 a.m. UTC time. So if you want to stay up to date with everything that they're doing, you simply just click this Telegram button up here at the top right-hand corner, and you'll be able to check out what they've got going on. I'm sure that's on their Discord and Twitter as well. But let's continue moving forward, right? So Wall Street Finance is transforming DeFi with the Wall Street Finance Auto Staking Protocol, or WFAP. WFAP, that's kind of funny. That delivers the industry's highest fixed APY, rebasing reward every 3 seconds. That's super bullish. And a simple buy, hold, and earn system that allows you to grow your portfolio and your wallet immediately. So again, with these auto staking, auto compounding protocols, while they do have a DApp, which you can be able to go in there and function with, it's not really even necessary, right? If you are an investor that is more likely to not be as like watching the charts or as concerned with your investment, which I know that there's some people are. I know that there's some people like within my premium group that prefer these kinds of plays as opposed to like play to earn games where you're having to manually go in there every day, claim your tokens, upgrade things in the game, and do all this stuff. With the best part about these like auto staking, auto compounding protocols is that all you have to do is hold the token and it's going to rebase directly into your wallet and it's automatically going to compound your interest. So it's a great way to make money for a lot of investors, right? So Wallstreet Finance NFT collection own exclusive NFT collections that uniquely interact with the ecosystem. Here's some previews of what those look like there. These are four rarities of the NFT there are four rarities of the NFT with different reward weights for owners. So they have a common, rare, epic, and immortal that pays you out in passive income. You can trade it on our marketplace or own it to earn passive income and participate in our Wall Street social game. So pretty cool stuff there. We'll get in a little bit more in depth on that. But Wall Street Finance rewards holders automatically compounding interest, increasing their WSF holdings over time, and that is going to be the name of their token there. So a lot of these Titano forks or Seifu forks or auto compounders do this, right? If you were to invest $1,000 into WSF in 1 year's time, it would be at $8.2 million of WSF tokens at the end of that year over that 365-day period. However, that is projecting that the price stays roughly the same. Regardless, this is a massive amount of money that you can end up with starting at just $1,000, right? And obviously, like the thing here with these types of protocols, there's a couple different ways to play them, you know, and it's kind of almost strange to see, or I wouldn't say necessarily strange, but we're definitely seeing the same types of things happen that we saw in December with DAO protocols, or rebasing DAOs, I should say, where these types of protocols, because it's been working for Titano for so long and that project has been sustainable. Obviously, Seifu has been going extremely well as well, even with fighting off all the FUD that they've been dealing with. So it's very interesting to see the future of these protocols. I think that the way to make them successful is they're going to have to provide utility outside of just being this auto staking, auto compounding protocol, right? They have to find another way to produce revenue for the protocol. And if they don't, what happens is that you're going to end up with a lot of people that invested in the beginning of a protocol. Let's say Titano, for instance. All these people that invested in the beginning of Titano, could you imagine like how many tokens they have now? Like, especially if you were a whale in the beginning and you have just been hodling your tokens, can you imagine how many tokens you would have now that it's been going for months and months and months? Eventually, people are going to want to start taking profits. Eventually, people are going to want to sell, right? So you combine that with a potential downtrend in the market. Obviously, things are up right now, but we don't know what the future holds. And that could be it could be very interesting to see how all that stuff plays out. That being said, buying and holding these tokens are not the only way to make money with them, right? You can play price action. You can do a bunch of different things. Completely up to you. But we discuss a little bit more in depth on kind of what our strategy is, or what my strategy is, inside the premium group. If you want to, again, check that out. First link in the description. So Wall Street Finance, tokenomics explained. So there is a buy and sell tax, 13% on buys, 17% on sell taxes. It's not the highest by any measure that I've seen. 13% on buys is pretty low. 17% on sells is, I think, is okay. So the automatic LP, 4% buy and 4% sell, return to liquidity, ensuring the WSF's increasing collateral value. They have 2% on sale, goes directly to the treasury, which funds the marketing and development for the Wall Street Finance. And then they have their RIF, or Risk Insurance Fund, commonly referred as to the RFE. In this case, the Risk Insurance Fund, 6% on buy, 6% on sale, are redirected to the RIF, which helps sustain and back the staking rewards provided by the positive rebase. Then they have their NFT owners rewards, right? So 2% of sales converted to BNB, and then distributed to the NFT owners. The higher the rarity of the NFT, the more rewards the owner for like each respective owner, right? They have their WSF Bank, so 2% from buys and 2% from sales. Again, this is the buy and sell tax total, right? So 2% of that buy and sell converted to BUSD and distributed to XWSF holders so that the people who leave give to the people who stay, and the people who stay longer get the bigger rewards. So this is all good and fine. However, long term, is this something that could be catastrophic? I'm not sure. I guess we'll have to wait and see. But they're doing some other things as well, especially with this NFT stuff to see, how sustainable these things end up being. And then 1% buy and 1% sell are burnt in the bonfire, right? So that's great. So competitive advantages here, comparing itself to Seifu, Libero, and Titano. NFT collection, nobody has that. Libero does have a bank, but Seifu and Titano do not, so it has that. Let's check out the rest of these so you can see they're doing things differently, from a lot of the big players, right? So Libero and Titano, obviously Titano is the largest, with I would say Seifu coming in second, and then Libero. But they're doing a lot of things differently than the other protocols, which is great because, like I say, I think that forking these kinds of contracts is good when they add in new utility, new use cases, and they build on top of what already is working well. And it looks like that they're doing that, right? Social play to earn game. Nobody else is doing that. Of course, their NFT collection, the bank stuff. So pretty cool stuff to see. Let's head on over to their actual documentation here. Again, the team is KYC'd with PinkCell, has been audited by TechRate. You can see that as well. They have a CertiK audit that is pending. So these guys are definitely taking their protocol seriously, which is great to see. This could be a big contender for the liquidity that makes up all these auto compounding, auto staking protocols, as it kind of pertains to Seifu, Libero, and Titano. Liquidity is locked for 200 years. No team, no private sell tokens, no minting code. All they have is this fair launch, which, as you can see here, pre-sale starts in 19 hours. So I will definitely be jumping into this. The soft cap 50 BNB doesn't look like they have any hard cap. So yeah, we will see how this pre-sale goes. I'll be looking to jump in myself. Obviously, not financial advice. However, I'm pretty bullish on Wallstreet Finance. So the overview, much of this we've already kind of covered. Buy, hold, earn. We already know how all this stuff works. I do want to dive in a little bit more into their NFT collection here. So their Wallstreet Finance NFT is a collection of 5,000 WSF avatars. Each NFT is unique and living on the Binance Smart Chain with hundreds of artistic elements. Each avatar is created by WSF team artists. The NFT collection uniquely interacts with the WSF ecosystem. There are 4 rarities, like we discussed, so the common, rare, epic, and immortal. NFT owners will receive BNB rewards from the 2% fee of WSF sale volume. Use NFT as a citizen to play the Wall Street social game and trade the NFT on the WSF NFT marketplace. So it is very cool that they're also implementing a marketplace, right? Because even some of these protocols that implement an NFT, right? The problem is that if you have an NFT collection that is listed on, let's just say that this is on AVAX and they're using NFT trade. The problem is that people are then able to purchase those NFTs with AVAX as opposed to whatever their native currency is, right? And this is not good for, I mean, it's not ideal, I would say, for the protocol, right? So ideally, if you're going to create your own NFT marketplace, like on the actual DApp, the selling point here is that you want people to have to use the WSF tokens to purchase the actual NFTs, right? To mint the NFTs, this is a deflationary mechanism. This overall helps sustain the protocol. Again, this is one of the problems that a lot of these play to earn games have, right? Is that they are putting these all their NFTs on the secondary market, and people are just scooping them up rather with AVAX or native currency or whatever chain they're on, as opposed to using the actual in-game currency to be able to mint them, right? So the NFT drop rate, common, you're at 80% drop rate, rare 15, epic 4%, and that immortal is that 1% drop rate. So the NFT airdrop for the fair launch contributors, the top 10 fair launch contributors, one random NFT immortal each person, right? So if you are within one of the top 10 fair launch contributors over here on Pink Sale, meaning I would imagine by the amount of money that you're investing, you will get one random NFT immortal each person. And this is a 1% drop rate. So it's going to be super rare. And you would have I would guess the biggest chance to earn the most in terms of passive income from it. The top 50 or the top 11 to 50 each get an epic rarity, and then 51 to 200 people get a rare NFT each. Other contributors, one random NFT common each person. You have to contribute at least 0.1 BNB for being eligible. A max of 500 common NFTs will be airdropped. If there are more eligible contributors than the total number of NFT airdrop, the NFT common will be airdropped to random contributors who contributed more than 0.1 BNB. The NFT airdrop for WSF top holders and biggest buyers after the event launch. So those 1,000 NFTs will be airdropped, and then you will be able to mint, again, minting with the WSF token. Again, this is a deflationary measure. This is great to see, and they're just rewarding people by incorporating that into the tax structure of the actual buy and sell transaction tax, right? So love that. I think that this is a very, very bullish idea. Nobody's doing it yet, but they do also have a referral program here for their bank, but I want to check out their bank real quick. So the WSF Bank, you can lock your WSF any period from 1 day to 4 years in the bank to receive your XWSF tokens as a receipt. So this is almost like liquid staking or liquid like locking your tokens up because you're getting the XWSF token in return. A 4-year lock will give you a 1-to-1 ratio of that WSF to the XWSF conversion, right? Just by holding XWSF every day, you get BUSD rewards from 4% of the WSF trading volume plus 1.16% WSF interest auto compounded is like an additional 6,633% APY just for you. You will get back your locked amount after 60 days if you lock for 4 years. BUSD rewards are calculated based on your proportional percentage of the overall XWSF in circulation. This percentage gives you a proportional access to the funds accumulated from the pool collected from the 4% of the WSF trading volume. So lots and lots of cool innovation going here. Obviously, this is a lot of information. This video is already 18 minutes long, so I'm not going to cover deeply or more in depth on the actual bank portion of itself, but this is very bullish. Again, I love to see that there's this innovation coming. So they have a referral program. Send your WSF Bank referral link to your friends. When they claim their WSF or BUSD rewards by holding XWSF, you will receive bonuses. And here's how that structure works as well. So that is awesome. I'm a big fan of referral programs. I think that is a solid way to build in a marketing system for your protocol. And if I were to launch my own protocol, I would definitely include a referral program as well. I think it's smart. I know that there's a lot of people that are opposed to that, but that's just me. So I think that about wraps it up. Again, fair launch in the next 19 and a half hours. Audited, KYC'd. You have the potential to get one of these NFT airdrops during this fair launch based on your contribution in BNB. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about Wallstreet Finance down below in the comment section of today's video. Are you bullish like me? Are you bearish? What do you think about more of these auto staking, auto compounding protocols starting to pop up? Again, I really love what Wallstreet Finance is doing. I will definitely be tuned in tomorrow and their AMA with Pink Sale. Pretty cool stuff. And let me know, like I said, let me know what you guys think down below, and we will catch you on the next one.